Hi there, I'm Courtney. Welcome to Soul La Vie Holistic. I'm so excited that you are here, whether you are a brand new meditator or maybe you've just been away from your practice or you're looking for a way of practicing maybe differently than you have in the past. We are about to take a journey together, and I'm really excited that you are going to take this step for yourself. It has been completely life-changing for me, which is part of the reason why I feel kind of compelled to share it and to bring other people into this way of mindful living. My practice here is inclusive, so I try to be mindful of experiences that people may have where maybe they relate to their body differently than I do, or just being sensitive of the fact that not everybody is practicing from the same place. And so whenever you hear a prompt, it's an invitation. It's not an insistence. So if it doesn't feel safe for you to focus on the breath, find someplace else to focus. If it doesn't feel comfortable for you to be in a seated cross-legged position, sit however you want to. I want the practice to be inclusive for everybody, and I want it to be inviting. And so I recognize that if you feel like you're being compelled into something that doesn't work for you emotionally or physically, then it's not going to be a practice that you're going to return to, and all benefit will be lost. So enter this practice where you are, from where you are, and don't feel like when I'm saying close your eyes that means you have to close your eyes. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. I would also like to share my orientation to this practice, which is we meditate together because that's an activity that we can do together. We can sit together and we can listen to these prompts. We can breathe together. But the meditation is not the goal. It's a tool. The goal is mindfulness. And mindfulness is a way of being. It's a way of moving through the world, and it's a way of relating to the world. So it's not about being seated silently with legs crossed and eyes closed and mind composed. It's about being able to learn something about yourself in your seated practice that then you take into the world, whether it be recognizing where emotions live in your body, or recognizing habitual thought patterns, recognizing the way that you judge your own thoughts or your own emotional experiences, or even just being more aware of the story that you're telling yourself about the things that are going on in the world around you. The practice is practice, and so it's a journey, and you will grow and stretch and develop throughout that journey. But ultimately, all of this that we do on the cushion is to change your life off the cushion. So you may practice a couple minutes every day, or you may practice for hours every day. But really it's about letting the messaging in, about becoming more aware of your thoughts and your experiences, being welcoming to the good and the bad of it all, and just letting things exist exactly as they are. I'm really happy that you're here. I'm looking forward to supporting you in your journey, and I look forward to lots of great opportunity for growth. Thanks for being with me.